Hey, welcome to my channel, Healing Home Coaching. I am Kristin, your adoption advocate and parent coach, where I help parents transform their chaotic home into a peaceful oasis by building a deeper relationship with their kids. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more tips, tricks, how-tos, and whatnots on how to bring a more peaceful and connected approach to your home as a parent. I know parenting kids can be very difficult, but coming from a place of understanding, empathy, and mindfulness, you will grow empathetic, connected, well-rounded, and thoughtful children. And in this world, that's what we're going for as parents. I know for myself as a parent, I'm wanting to parent my family so they don't need therapy when they're an adult because of their childhood. And I hope you join me on this journey of connecting with your kids on a deeper level and allowing myself, Kristin Foltz, and the Healing Home Coaching team to empower and encourage you as you walk this peaceful parenting journey. Go ahead and check us out at healinghomelifecoaching.com and see what we have to offer. We have plenty of things that you can be involved in, from our monthly family circle community to our weekly trainings and Facebook Lives. Go ahead and see what we have going on at our Facebook group, Connection Camp, how to build a deeper relationship with your kids. And don't forget to like our Facebook page, Healing Home Coaching. And before you leave this page, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I know you'll enjoy it. See you soon.